Tesla Megapack Factory in China to start construction. Tesla's Megapack Factory in China is ready to start construction this month. Construction started at Tesla's Megafactory Shanghai site in March 2024. Since then, very little has been built on the site. Tesla Giga Shanghai's resident drone operator, Wu Hua, recently provided an update on the company's Megapack factory in China. He explained why construction stopped after the initial sighting in March. In April this year, the Tesla Shanghai Megapack factory site, which has not been quiet, finally entered the excavators and bulldozers, which was thought to be the official start of construction of the Megapack factory. But in a few days, in addition to shoveling the original concrete floor and the shed, there is no longer any sign of construction. On April 22, the Chinese media issued a news release, saying that the Tesla Shanghai the Megapack factory is scheduled to start construction in May. It seems that the preliminary preparations are just for the official start of construction in May, explained Wu Hua. Tesla Megapack factory in Shanghai raises concerns from U.S. politician. Tesla announced its new megafactory in Shanghai in April 2023. At the time, the company planned to produce 10,000 megapacks per year, equivalent to 40 gigawatt-hours worth of energy storage at the factory. Tesla's earliest desired delivery date for megapacks made in China is Q1 2025. Tesla China didn't waste any time recruiting for the Shanghai. A few weeks after the company announced the megafactory in China, it started recruiting people to work at the factory on Weibo. Tesla's megafactory in China would probably be a major export hub similar to Giga Shanghai. Tesla's car manufacturing facility in China exports vehicles to neighboring Asian countries, some European countries, Australia, and New Zealand. Tesla's megapacks have been a mainstay in Australia's expanding clean energy market. Recently, Neoen announced that Tesla megapacks would help the Collie battery expand to become Australia's biggest battery yet at 560 megawatts, 2,240 kilowatt-hours. The Collie battery is expected to help the town of Collie transition from coal power to renewable energy. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Merano at teslarati.